what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos in this channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chat wallpaper in Telegram. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So for the first step, click the Telegram app, and dito sa my right side, click nyo yung settings and then click appearance. After yung maklik yung appearance, makikita nyo itong chat wallpaper. So, dito na tayo makakapili ng mga wallpapers. And you can see here a variety of wallpapers. Yan, makakapili kayo dito. Iba't ibang wallpaper. From ganito, colors, different colors. And sa mga lugar. Depende lang sa trip nyo. And pwede rin pala kayong mag-change ng sarili nyong wallpaper kung gusto nyo mag-download sa Pinterest or pictures nyo, pwede rin. So, try natin yung aking picture. Kuha tayo sa gallery. Click nyo lang yung choose from photos and makikita nyo dito yung mga images nyo sa gallery nyo. Then, nakalagay dito, pinch and pan to adjustable paper. So, pwede nyo siyang palakihan at paliirin. So, ito na yung bet ko. Then, pwede nyo rin siyang i-blurred or motion na gumagalaw. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe.